How to restore deleted contacts on Samsung Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look up for a method on how we can restore our deleted contacts if you're on any of the Android phone. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So first thing first, you need to open up your phone contacts. Just go to phone, and here you can see these contacts at the side. Just tap on contacts, and just to show that I deleted a contact, I'm going to just delete one of the contacts here. I'm just going to long press on it, and when you long press on it, you'll see this delete option. Just tap on delete, and you can see this move to recycle bin option. So in order to restore the contact that I just deleted, what I'm going to just do is just tap on this three dot here, and you can see this option called recycle bin. What you need to do is just tap on this recycle bin, and you'll be able to see the contact that you just deleted. Just long press on it, and you can see this restore option. Just tap on restore, and that particular contact will be restored on your contacts again. And just like that, you can restore your deleted contacts on Samsung Android phone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.